You all know that I am Aurorah Dey, and it's Money Monday. Yes, I'm in the park early with little KD. We're soaking in these sun rays, catching this breeze. I want to answer this question for the many secured entrepreneurs who are emailing us about these investment accounts. Now, I want to thank you all for continuing to email, and please continue to do that. info@aurorahdayconsulting.com. Now, the investment accounts, there are 3 companies that I heavily recommend for the beginner, all right? And you can do this online. The trades are as cheap as $4.95 per trade and $6.95 per trade. I am recommending these 3 companies because of personal experience and the education. All right, now I want to say this because you all have asked about Robinhood. Now that is an app, and I actually have used that app. I like the app. You know, I don't have an issue with that. But if you are a beginner as it relates to starting an investment account, maintaining, managing, and actually seeing the progress, I'm going to recommend these 3 companies for you to start online, for you to go to and get the education so that you can do the research before you make the investment, okay? So the first one I'm going to recommend is TD Ameritrade. Now, I like TD Ameritrade. They have a lot of education on their website. When you call, there's always a representative that will assist you, give you the information that you need, point you in the direction that you need to be pointed into to make an informed decision. There is no minimum account balance, okay? So basically, you can start your investment account with as little as $50 if that's what you wanted to do. And the reason why I'm stating that is because many of you have emailed to ask, you know, how much money you need to start, because, you know, you may not have that much money that you say you can risk or lose or, you know, invest, you know, take a chance on, things of this nature. Well, TD Ameritrade, there is no minimum account balance, all right? And that is the same with the second, which is Charles Schwab. Now, I really have an affinity for Charles Schwab. I've been with them the longest, and I have not had any issues with them. Once again, no minimum account balance, and the trades are $4.95 a trade. They have excellent education, all right? So I would go there. And then the last would be Merrill Edge, okay? Merrill Edge. Same thing, no minimum account requirement. And the education is there on the website. You can pick up the phone and speak with a broker, things of that nature. So I will go to those 3 websites today, all right? Start doing the research and get those investment accounts open. Now, the other question that you had as it relates to those investment accounts, because you all know that we are all about secured entrepreneurship here. You were asking about opening these accounts, you know, under your personal name. Well, I would not recommend that. And you all know that we will create the correct legal entity for you here so that you can start these investment accounts the right way. So if you need, you know, further information about that, click the links below. If you're here on YouTube, click the link for the free consultation. If you are here on Facebook, go above and click those links. And you all know that Miss Aurorah has your back. And until next time, ta-ta.